folks, today I'm gonna show you how to install the cruise control addition to this F900 R, which unfortunately didn't came with the cruise control option. As you can see on the left side multi-control bar, there are clear signs of where the control for the cruise should be, but it's not there, unfortunately. So today we're going to retrofit the original option into this bike. And this of course is gonna involve some hardware change. So we're gonna change two pieces, I'm gonna show you in a second. And it will also involve some coding. We need to tell the bike, now you have cruise control. This job, we're gonna need these two pieces. Of course, original BMW parts. If you're interested, these are the codes for these two parts, as you can see here. The first one is the left side multi-control that has the same amount of option the bike came with, plus the cruise control. This is the important piece. Second one, and also most surprisingly, according to my opinion, is the right side grip, the throttle grip, which has a very specific option. Comes with this specific option for cruise control, as you can see the icon here. So this is quite funny because apparently the way the cruise control works, once it's engaged, there are many ways of disengaging the cruise control, and one of them is twisting the throttle grip on the opposite direction, like this, and this will disengage the cruise control. So that's why this part is needed. I'm not actually sure if this is 100% required, but we're definitely going to install it in the bike. And finally, for the coding, we're also gonna need a laptop with our software, the OBD2 cable plus Ethernet adapter. So in order to disassemble the left side control switch, we need to get rid of this piece, which is attached here by this very long screw. It comes with T50 Torx, so make sure you have the right equipment before you start the job. You just unscrew it. Again, it's very long screw. Then, right behind the rubber of the grip, there is a T15 screw. Unscrew that, and the whole assembly, grip plus control unit, should come off in one single piece. A little note, once you pull it out, there will be two cables. This one for the heated handlebar, with the heated grips, and this one for the controls. Just pull these two cables, which are attached here. You can see the two little connectors down there. Then inside there is a clip. I hope you can see that there is a clip. You need to undo that clip in order to extract the grip from the multi-controller. And you just slide it out like this. Then you will see that the grip comes with a wonder wheel, and there are two connectors again, one for the heated grips and the other one for the wonder wheel. And the connector for the wonder wheel connects inside of the multi-controller. The connector for the heated grips goes through this hole here to the other side, where there is another connector that goes to the bike, and the heated grip just goes through this hole. That's it. On the right side, we still need to get rid of the weight here. Unscrew, take it out. Then here the assembly works quite differently, so we first need to get rid of this control here, and this works like a clamshell, so it's composed of two parts. First, we need to take out a screw. There is a T8 screw down in this hole, quite deep, so make sure you have the proper tool to get in there. Then these two halves split. You remove the bottom part, you unplug this cable, which will be controller plus either grip. You remove the upside, and then there will be another screw here. I will show you in a second. So take out the screw that I mentioned using this small T8 Torx, insert it in the hole. As you can see, it goes quite deep. Engage the screw and slowly unscrew it and do it. And this is the screw. Okay, once that screw is removed, pull this part down. On the back, pay attention to this little plastic thing that are holding the thing together. Don't destroy them. And just, you should be able to remove the bottom part completely. Now that you separated the two parts, pull this cable for the controller, similar to the one on the other side, and also the heated grip. Then, in order to remove the upper part, you need to remove this other screw here, and this will require another T8 or T15 screw, and then the whole assembly will come off and we'll move on from there. This is removed. You'll find this screw, which is a Torx T15, while the one at the bottom was a T8 down here that was connected here. Once you remove this one, you'll be able to remove the whole assembly again. Let's now compare the two parts. The one on the left is the one that we just removed without the cruise control logo, while the one on the right is the one that we are going to install now with the cruise control logo, as we saw at the beginning. Alright, once you put everything back together, connected the two cables, there is also actually a cover here that I forgot to mention. Let me illuminate the area here. Make sure you put this cover back. This is for the cables. To isolate the cables, make sure you put this cover back. Once you put everything in the place, put the screw back in, put the torque. It's time to, so the assembly is installed. I tested out the bike, it works. Well, the cruise control is not recognized, but the wonder wheel reacts. The button that were existing on the bike works, except for the cruise control. But that's expected because we need to code it inside of the bike ECU.